Yes, Nifty Metal Index today is down in excess of 3%. That's the biggest fall that we have seen in the last 9 months. It's the biggest fall since April 17, 2025. And several stocks continue to bleed within the Nifty Metal Index. Something like Hindalco, that one is the biggest loser from the Nifty 50 pack, down nearly 3.5%. We have Jindal Stainless down 6%. Hindustan Zinc, Nalco, Hindustan Copper, all of them are declining anywhere between 5 to 6% in trade today. And the main reason for this is Bloomberg commodity rebalancing of their indices, especially because of the run-up that we have seen in global commodity prices. Something like aluminium, that one is up 17% in calendar year 2025. Copper has seen an uptick of 40%, and global indices are likely to be rebalanced. This is likely to happen from the 9th of January to the 15th of January, and the maximum weightage of all of these commodities will be 15% each. So because of the run-up, these indices and these commodities have likely breached that particular 15% threshold, and that is the reason they are likely to see some bit of selling pressure, and hence all of these commodities continue to trade with losses today. Citi in fact has come out with a report, and they say that silver in particular could see an outflow of about $6 billion US. That's Citi futures for you, that's silver futures for you. So yes, on account of this rebalancing, all those commodities which have shot up are likely to see an outflow. And on the flip side, something like oil, that one declined nearly 18 to 20% last year. So in that we could see inflows, and that is the reason we are seeing some bit of rejig in the commodity market globally, and that is having a bearing on Nifty Metal Index here. Now, we spoke to Aditya Welekar earlier in the day, and he says that fundamentally nothing really has changed. This is a technical adjustment, likely to be a temporary phenomena. It is likely to reverse in some time, but he also said that the dip in the stock prices currently is a buying opportunity. Fundamentally nothing has changed, but of course third quarter is likely to be a soft quarter on account of lower steel prices in the quarter gone by, and account of lower commodity prices as well. But yes, that's the adjustment that is taking place in the global market. Commodity adjustment, commodity annual rejig of their weightages, and that is the reason Nifty Metal Index is under pressure today.